Hello friends, welcome to CAD CAM Solutions. Today I will show you how to make a CAM programming for VMC machining in ZW3D software. ZW3D is the very user-friendly, smooth software. I have been using from last 4 years. We are using for more design and manufacturing also. Here we have one object on the screen. The size of object is 300, 280 and 75 in thickness. Just I would like to save the parts because 2026 is the latest version. Here I will analyze the model first. To become a perfect programmer, you must know the analyzing the object. First, you have to know the size of object, which is I already checked. Once again, I will check it with the stock. The stock is size of the model is 300, 280, 75 in thickness. Next tool, I will go in Inquire tab. First, I will check as a CAM programmer what is the minimum radius of the components. Here I will check in Analyze Face. Number 4, there is a radius checking option. I will keep 1. Now it not shows any radius 1. I will increase the radius now. 3 up to 3 there is no radius. Now it shows all the green faces are having the R4. So I have to use minimum diameter 8 mm cutter, ball nose or dia 6 mm to finish this object. I will close my analysis. In the analysis you will find the continuity stripping option as well. These zebra strips show you how the surfaces are continued. You can see here these faces are merged and lines are passing one surface to another. It shows that it has a good continuity. All the way I am going to close it. Now I come to know that here is the minimum radius is R4. Next my analysis is undercut analysis. Here in the one click I will click here on undercut analysis and my software shows is there any undercut on the object. Now the object is very much clear. There is no undercut. Here blue color shows undercut. Sometimes it mesh with graphics possibility of the computer, but here I will browse the angle and I will check. Very less draft is here. Light undercut it shows here 0.6. That's why it shows the angle. Anyhow, I come to know that there is the undercut in one portion of the model and this is also marked. I will close my undercut analysis option. Once again I will change my shade to regular. Let me confirm, is this my top of the view? Is it correct? Yeah, it is top view of my object. Now I will again switch to the isometric view. I check 3 points: model size, after that undercut analysis and the minimum radius of the object. So let us start now CAM programming. This is the modeling. I will switch here. Here I will get the option for the CAM. Pre-analysis I have done. For CAM I will upload next part for the machining of the subject because currently there is a CAM model is not available with my install version. Let me check with the CAM. You will see that the CAM programming in part 2 of the video. Thank you.